Alright guys, well now that I'm the master of technology, I got a Gmail account, I got a Facebook account, I got a Twitter account, I got all this stuff going on. I got my iPhone, of course. See? Yeah, I would freak you out every time. Yeah! Alright, so now that I got all that stuff going on, check this out. Check what I got here. Alright, so now that I got all this technology going on, if you want your own bug out guy ringtone, then let me know, because I got a financial backer, okay, and so I got tons of money. So anyway, if you want your own ringtone, the guys just did it for me. Yeah, I'm gonna compete with that Alex Jones guy. He's nothing. The bug out guy, I'm the voice of America. He's just kind of a redneck with a bunch of alien conspiracy theories. I'm the voice of America. Actually, I should run for president. You could write me in, the bug out guy. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna run for president. I just made that up right now. I'm gonna do that. All right, here. So imagine this. You're hanging out somewhere. Check this out.
Just hanging out. Just hanging out. Just hanging out. Just hanging out.
That'll scare the piss out of you and everybody around you. All the cops will like turn around and pull their guns out and start pointing around. Get ready to empty that clip all over the place, right? You need one of these. Yes. Anyway, if you will send me a message on Facebook and say, I want the ringtone, I will send you the ringtone. And you can put it in your iPhone and you can be just hanging out. Yeah.